This is how to make a YouTube Pro banner for free in 60 seconds. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Open Canva. Set the page size to 2560 by 1440. Download my free format in the comments section, then upload it in Canva. Centralize the free format on the page and adjust it to fill. Those viewing from phone can only see the green area. Viewers from laptop can only see the yellow area, and viewers from TV can see all the red area. Then bring in your pictures and write your text. I already have my image picture with the background removed. I also downloaded the YouTube logo PNG from the internet and YouTube subscribe. I downloaded and removed the background in Photor, free background remover. Now, I want my image, the subscribe, and Befty to appear on all viewing platforms, so I will put them on the green. My full name is Befty Gold, so I will add the gold in completion on the yellow here, so computer viewers can see the full name. I place my image at the left end of the green, adjust it to a good view, then place the subscribe in between the two hands, so it looks as if he is begging for subs. Then I write the Befty with permanent marker font style, adjust the font size and letter spacing to fit very well. Then I duplicate it, write the gold with adjust the font size and letter spacing to fit. Then I place the YouTube logo left here so computer viewers can see all complete, and it already makes full sense. Then for the completion I just write social media with compot display outline font style and adjust the letter spacing to cover this whole space. You want to duplicate it, bring it down here and change to content teacher, then adjust to fit. 63% of YouTube views come from mobile, so let your basic information and photo appear on the green. Then extend some details on the yellow like this. And finally, your full details covering the whole red space. Once you're done, get your background and replace the format. For this, I downloaded random black background from the internet. Boom! Your Pro banner is ready in 1 minute. Then download your masterpiece by clicking Share, then Download, then select PNG and click Download. But that's not all. You need to watch the YouTube settings that will make your videos go viral up there.